In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change location targeting in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Campaigns tab. Then choose Campaigns from the Campaigns settings. Then, from the Campaigns dropdown, choose Campaigns. Here, you'll find all your campaigns. Now, hover over the one you want to change the location of. You'll see the gear icon appear. Click on it to edit the campaign settings. Now, in the campaign settings, scroll down until you find the Locations option. Click and expand it. Then you'll see three options: all countries and territories, your country, and an option to enter another location. Click on the Enter Another Location option. Then type the name of the location you want to include, and from the suggestions, click on Include to include the location. You can also exclude a location you want to exclude. You'll see all the included locations above. Don't forget to include your region, which was already set to, unless you want to leave it unincluded, because it'll remove it automatically. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Your location targeting is now updated. That's how you change location targeting in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.